So 2 minutes and a half, I think that's enough for trying to secure the cast of the curls, so you can just hold the Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I want to share with you guys how I diffuse my hair to get some volume in my roots. So let's get into it. So as you can see, my hair is done. I styled my hair with the Biolan curl defining cream that I made a review. I'm gonna leave the link over here, and I also use my Eco Style of argan oil, also made another review of that. So what I'm gonna do, which is what I always do, is I'm gonna clip my hair with this tiny little, but I throw it on the floor. So I'm gonna clip my hair with these two butterfly clips because I like my hair to at least look like it's pulled back. So I'm gonna shake my hair and actually try to pick the hair this way and this way. So that's fine. I will take him off eventually. So let's diffuse. What I do with my diffuser is I go all over the hair with the lowest setting and the cool setting of my blower dryer for a couple of minutes until it starts to form a cast. That's only to secure the hair without disturbing it too much, the curls. And then I just flip my head over and I just finish diffusing that way and drying out my roots, because the most important part is that I dry out my roots, and once those are dry with my head upside down, then I just finish up the rest of the hair. So let me just do a couple of minutes. I'm gonna time it out so you can see. Because I've never timed myself. So I'm gonna time myself until I feel like it, and I'll show you how long it takes me with the length of my hair. As you can see, it's down here to the middle of my back. So let me just start. Remember, lowest setting and cool. So 2 minutes and a half, I think that's enough for trying to secure the cast of the curls, so you can just hold the curls in their place. And now I will flip my hair. Will flip my head upside down, so I just can really go into the roots and get the volume in the root, which is the main purpose, especially when you have long hair like mine and you don't want your hair to be flat here on your skull. And so that's what I'm gonna do now. It's because I'm going to be drying out my roots. I'm going to be doing the same thing with the lowest setting and the cool. Still on this blow dryer, the cool setting is slightly warmish, and I think it's secure that it's not damaging my roots or damaging the hair. I only go in warm when I'm just cupping in the hair in the diffuser, but that's later. I'll just tell you. So I'm gonna do the roots. I'm gonna flip my head and I'm gonna work on my roots. And again, to some things. Resume. Now what I would do is take out the clips, one clip, two clips, and I'll keep drying the root. So now I look crazy. Let me just push it away. I know this isn't a great angle, but this is what I do actually. It's been 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Now I would do is I would just crank up the heat of the blow dryer into warm, still in a low setting, and I will just cup in the hair from the ends to the roots in sections, and I will do that until I find that the hair is mostly dry. Sorry again, and I'll do that until I find the hair is mostly dry. So I'll just do that. Let me start again the clock, and again remember I'm gonna do this in. I'll put the settings into warm instead of cool, and still in the lowest airflow of the blow dryer. I don't want to forget this. I don't start the blow dryer until I have already cupped in the section of hair, and I will dry it. I would keep the flow there for a couple of seconds, and I'll blast it with cool air. I'll turn off the blow dryer, and I would release the hair from the top. Let me just show you once what I'm trying to say. I cup the hair, let's say this section of hair, grab it and gently cup it up to my roots, and I'll start the blow dryer. Then I'll use the cool shot setting. I'll turn off the blow dryer, and when it's off, I gently let it loose. So you see, it's more crunch up. So that's what I meant when I said I was gonna copy it off. So yeah, let me just continue doing that, and I'll be back when I'm done. It's a neck workout, but it's worth it. My hair right now, my roots are dry. Sweating. My roots are dry. It's been 20 minutes and 10 seconds. And the hair, the curls are actually 85 to 90% dry. So now I will hover around the hair, same way, warm setting, in warm and low setting. And that's how I just try to dry out as much as I can of the hair until I reach like a 95% or 97% of the hair dry, and the rest I'll just leave it out to air dry. But today I'm just gonna go and dry it out completely just for you guys to see how long it takes me to actually finish drying out my whole entire head. So again, like I said, warm and low setting. Oh, I forgot to mention that I also cut the hair this way, um, in the same setting, the same way I did it with my head upside down. Just that I'm doing it this way, so I can, you can make the process go faster. So my hair feels dry. Uh, you can see I already have volume in my roots, and it took me 30 minutes and 9 seconds, so 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna use I'm using my Heat Protection Shine and Smooth polisher from Argan Oil. I mean, Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Heat protecting oil. So I want to seal in the hydration and moisture that I put in my hair. So these are the final results. I'm not going to do much because this is all about volume in the roots, and I think um, I think we've achieved that. I've achieved that with my technique. I mean, this is not my actual technique. This is what I do, what I picked up that I do. So I don't know if somebody else invented this. I don't know. I just thought of this just to make my hair have more volume because of the weight, because of the length. So these are the curls. You see, I always like showing you my curls. They're super defined, and this is how it looks from the back. So comment below, what do you think about all this neck workout with the blow dryer and the diffuser? I know it's not gonna be for everybody. That's why sometimes I use these clips in order to give myself some space here in the root when it's drying, and so I don't have to flip my head all the time. But lately I've been liking to flip my head because I like the volume that I get after. So yeah, comment below if you like it, if you have tried it, if this is how you blow dry or diffuse your hair. Or even if there is another way of doing this, an easy way to do this. But I mean, look at the hair. Look at the results. I cannot. I cannot. Oh, let me show you the root. See, there's volume in there. Sorry for this. That little bruise there. So yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you found it interesting and you can mix and match it with the way you do it at home. It doesn't have there's no um, special or actual way to do things, but you can pick things from everybody, and maybe you could pick something from this one and make it work into your own routine. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!